Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to put the Ask Me a Question on your Instagram story. Welcome to another how to search tutorial video. What I'm basically talking about is I'm pretty sure you've seen that when you see stories wherein there's an Ask Me a Question option, and when you click on it, you'd be able to ask that specific person a question on their Instagram story. It's actually quite easy to do that, so just follow these simple steps. First of all, let's go ahead and open the Instagram app. And then from here, what you'll want to do is to create a story. So just click on your story icon on the upper left corner of the screen. And then from here, all you have to do is to upload a photo or capture a photo for you to add or take a story, right? So for example, I have taken this photo here. All I really need to do is to click on the sticker icon on the upper right corner here. And then from here, you can go ahead and click on or look for the sticker that says questions. So just go ahead and click on that and it will automatically add that sticker to your story. So that's actually how simple it is. There's actually another option wherein you all you have to do is click on the create option from your Instagram stories and then look for the part where it says questions. Usually it's with the sticker icon with a question mark on it, similar to what you're seeing here. And then that will automatically add that sticker on your Instagram story as well. Now, all you need to do is capture that photo and then go ahead and post that story to your Instagram if you'd want to. And that's really how simple it is. And once a person asks you a question on that specific story, you will be notified by Instagram. So go ahead and follow the steps and see if you'll be able to add that sticker to your story. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Again, this is how to search and see you on the next one. Peace.